Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at creating user roles in SpreadsheetWeb. With this feature, you can create custom user roles to fine-tune the user experience and specify what control panel features your users can access. You can essentially configure access to almost any button on the control panel. Let's see how this feature works on an example. Here we have an order entry application where users can enter their details and select the items they want to order. To build a workflow around this application involving multiple types of users, we can create roles for each user type. To create a new user role or edit an existing one, log in with a user that has access to this feature and select Roles under the Tools menu. All active, non-global user roles will be displayed on the Role Definitions page. Here you can add a new role by pressing the Add Role button. To edit an existing site-level role, press the blue Edit button and press the red Delete button to remove it. Let's assume that our users are the customers who need access to the application to be able to place their orders. This type of users will only need the ability to place multiple orders, need the ability to create records, and track the status of their orders from the data page. Aside from this page and the ability to add new records, this user role will not be needing any other access. To create a new user role for this type of users, we begin by clicking Add Role. The name defined under the role name property is not visible to the end users that do not have access to the users page. Each of the highest level groups on the Add Edit User Role to Site page refer to pages in the control panel. If a main group is disabled, users with this role will not be able to see that page at all. If the user has access to the main page, they can be given access to additional features, such as the ability to add a new web application. For example, enabling the application's high-level group will allow these users to see the application's page. In this case, we don't want our end users to be able to create, edit, or delete web applications. We won't be giving them any access into the applications page. Giving this user role access to the data page will allow them to see the data page where they can create, edit, or delete their records. Once you're done selecting the access rights for your user, press the Save button. The new user role will be added into the role definitions list, and you can now select the custom user role you have created from the user role menu for any system user. Application-level data restrictions can help you further limit some of the data page actions. If access to a certain feature is restricted on the application level, such as the ability to edit records, this feature will not be available to users even if they were given this right from their user role. Please see the corresponding video for application-level data restrictions for more information. The new customer user cannot see any page other than the data page, and only has the ability to add or edit records under any application.